PTC went great. It's honestly my favorite conference of the year. It is a chance for me to meet with roughly 70 of our largest and most important customers. And the thing I really appreciated about it is it's a chance to sit down with them and really talk about what are the challenges they're facing, how was their year, what are the things that they're trying to figure out for the next year, and then figuring out how Astound can help them achieve their goals. And the thing that really made this year was really the depth of those conversations with those customers. And so I really enjoyed hearing about their businesses and where they were headed and the value that Astound can bring in terms of helping them achieve those goals. We recently turned up a new route from New York to Ashburn, and in particular it came about because we had several customers who had independently approached us and said, look, we have a lot of traffic that's really important to us that goes north-south, but it goes through very congested metro areas where it's hard to get redundancy, and it's also not as direct a path as we would like. We would like to get the best latency that we can get, and can you Astound help solve that? And as we heard it from multiple parties, we leaned in and we worked with different providers and some of our own network and some of others to build a unique path that's very direct. It bypasses many of the East Coast cities between New York and Ashburn, and we have several customers who have already turned up services on it, and we're getting great feedback that it is one of the best routes that they have. So from my perspective, it's definitely a much needed piece of network on the East Coast, and we're excited to help bring it to fruition. There's a bunch of different drivers, but probably the biggest driver is the AI ecosystem, whether it's the hyperscalers or data centers connecting to other data centers, or the businesses that connect to AI. All of that is really driving really unprecedented investment in network and network capacity. And what we're really finding is that customers are asking for network in advance of what they need and trying to get ahead of the power curve in terms of what their businesses need. And we are actively working with lots of customers to help fulfill those requirements. And I think that's generally, at a top level, that's probably the largest driver of that. But there's also others, the movement into the cloud and the overall bandwidth needs of businesses as they become these mesh networks with systems in different places and different locales. You're just seeing really across the board growth on connectivity. I'm very excited about the promotion, in particular about bringing the larger organization into one group and what it means for our customers. At Astound, if you step back, one of the most important things that I'm very passionate about is building partnerships with our customers and understanding their needs, figuring out the best way to support them as they grow. This alignment is part of that long-term strategy. So by bringing all of the sales channels and all of the sales engineering and operations, business operations, all together under one roof in one organization, it's going to allow us to be even more efficient and even more customer focused. And really what I see for us is it continues the path of being able to be experts in the network that our customers need and continuing to earn the name of trusted partner. And it's one of the things that I'm most passionate about and really is the cornerstone of what we continue to build at Astound.